Hey guys, it is Leeanne with Khaos Cleaning Solutions. My cleaning supplies. Welcome to my first client's house ever. Let's jump right into it. Next, I will show you basically the walkthrough of the house, is what we call it in the cleaning industry. The initial inspection. You'll see the befores and the afters. This house, as far as cleanliness, wasn't that bad. It had just been a while since the maintenance has been a thing, I guess. Sometimes we just get busy in our own lives and the housework falls to the wayside. But that's okay, as long as we spend that time with our family and we create memories. This is two little girls' playroom, is what you're looking at right now. As you can see, it is a mess, but there are two little happy girls, and that's what's important. This bathroom is a total mess. It has so much work that needs to be done. It needs an actual complete makeover, and we haven't done that to date, but coming soon. I showed you where the girls' playroom was. Now this is their bedroom. What you are seeing here is my baskets for items that don't belong in that room. I will put baskets out, label them for each member of the household. It really helps speed things along, especially when you don't know where something goes. You just put it in the basket really quick and it's out of the way. I also put trash in one central location of the room, actually always closest to the exit of the room. For quick access, whenever you're exiting the room, you can just bring it with you as you leave. As far as like the baskets too, bring them with you and put everything where it needs to go. I told you guys it took me a really long time to clean this fireplace, and I wasn't joking. So when it comes to the messes, the items that are still left on a surface, the dirt, the dust, I like to really give you guys a good view. So I'll put the camera kind of to the side. I don't show it here, but I am about to dust this piece of furniture. When you're dusting a piece of furniture or anything really, you start from the top and work your way from the bottom, and then go left to right or right to left, whichever you prefer. It's really up to you, but just pick one and stick with it. So here is the finished kitchen, the finished dining room, and the finished living room. It took roughly about 8 hours. It was a 2-day job. Here's the living room. Thank you to anyone who has made it this far in the video. I appreciate you. Please subscribe.